Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to uninstall Roblox on Microsoft Store. So guys, first thing that you will do in order for you to do this is go to your start menu guys, and from here just search for add or remove programs, and then over here as you can see, click add or remove programs guys, and then it will redirect you to the settings of your Windows. And then from here you can search the Roblox, and you can use the search button over here, or you can just scroll down and find the Roblox. So guys, as you can see, here is the Roblox player, and once we click on it guys, you will have here a button which you can uninstall. Just click on it guys and uninstall it. But for now, I'm not gonna uninstall it. I'm just gonna show you guys how to uninstall it, and after that you will successfully uninstall your Roblox player. And there you go guys, that's how to uninstall Roblox in Microsoft Store. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!